As we're eating at Pop's Diner.
What do you want to drink?
Why you got,
You got big things.
Hello. Today. Can I get y'all start off with any iced tea, Coke products, or juices?
Can I have a Sprite, please?
Sprite.
A Sprite.
Sprite.
just have water with lemon, please.
Lemon. Okay.
You want to do what you did last time? Or you got the
Can I get you a drink?
I want a Sprite.
Sprite. All right. Sprite's everywhere. Okay.
Hey, voila.
Mama, papi, you gotta like listen to people. You gotta let this down a little bit. And then when they talk to you, let it go for a second.
Okay.
You know, that's not cool. But
Can you say hello to the camera?
are you trying to take a picture of me?
I'm recording for a video. They had the ham
well, you know, I don't
sandwich,
like
turkey
to have-
sandwich,
The way I look, you know that.
grilled
right?
cheese,
I don't like that. You got a
chicken
haircut.
tenders,
papi.
so you want additional 2 tenders, right?
let me see the menu.
Tenders, right?
Let me see the
They come
menu.
in here, so you want an additional 2?
Do you have a menu up here?
I'm asking you. They have 2 chicken tenders that come to the Christmas. Do you want another 2?
That's
You too, Christian?
huh?
Do you
Where's the
want-
menu?
Do the chicken tenders? It's right here.
Can I give me
Burger. It's a kid's burger also. Look.
There's a turkey burger, grilled cheese, kids burger, chicken tenders, creamy mac and cheese.
I want a kid's burger. Kid's burger.
So you want the kids
With
burger?
no cheese, just
The ketchup, right?
cheese.
And then a side of fries, right? Mm-hmm. Okay. What do I want? Let's see.
What are you trying to do? What are you trying to do? I know I want the soup. I don't have. I want the soup and
I want to try that soup. What did you get that soup? This is a tortilla.
chicken tortilla right here.
That's what I want. Try that.
I want that and I want
Guy, you got that. You want that.
that, you know what, Natasha, tú eres blanquita, pero when that lipstick looks good on you. Darker like that instead of wearing those light blues. They look like
Different kinds, man.
you know what? That's just brown on too. Those dark lipsticks. He's over here videotaping.
Be careful with the tablet because don't drop it.
Alright,
It costs $100.
Mommy, can you say hello to the
Be
camera?
careful because some people
Can you
don't
say
like
hello
to
to
be
the camera?
videotaped.
Hello.
Hello.
Hey, some people don't like to be videotaping. I don't need to
Yeah.
get stupid with somebody.
Yes, it's a big one. Funny about it. It's a big one.
Okay,
Mira, mama. I like this.
Yana, say hello. Thank you.
When I had turkey cranberries. That was really good. Thank you.
Did you say you wanted lemon as well? Oh, okay. I'm sorry. I'll be right back with that.
All right.
Thank you. You know what you want?
Wait, the turkey cranberry was really
Yeah,
good.
I know what I want. I said I want a kiss hamburger, right?
I know it.
I don't know what I want.
Mommy, look.
Yep. Cool.
I'm gonna give me a wings. What? Oh, I see. Let me zoom in. Oh, snap. All right. What you drawing?
That's what I'm gonna have. I usually.
I'm gonna draw an animated piece. All right, then. Let me zoom in on this animated. Oh, okay.
I think I'm gonna
She's
choose
drawing
the
Pac-Man,
club
I think.
sandwich. Mine
I
is
don't
the
know.
ham. I just want turkey. The club sandwich. I don't want the ham though. I just want turkey, bacon, tomato, mayo, lettuce. And I want an avocado.
You want avocado? They're gonna charge you now for that.
I don't care. I'm in the mood for an avocado.
Want to get
Go watch
something with
School Island
avocado
or
like
Firefox.
this one right
Yeah, but if
here.
I
Fire
shrimp,
sticks
like,
like that. You never
I
come movies.
see everything straw avocado. I want them.
Let me get my straw. Where's my straw?
Big one.
Oh, pauses.
No, I don't see it.
What?
Avocado.
You see what I'm saying? There's only shrimp, right? Avocado. So I'm just gonna add it to the club sandwich. I'm gonna have the soup that you said, the chicken tortilla soup, with the club sandwich, with minus the ham and avocado.
I wonder, because the soup is so good, I want to make a soup. I wonder if I can make it.
I wonder you can get what?
A bowl.
A bowl.
That'd be too much, right?
Bobby and ask. If you know what's ask and find out.
Well, because a bowl is $2 more.
Oh, okay, I see. The bowl is $4.99 instead of a cup.
What are you going to say, Papi?
I said muy bien.
I'm OBN.
Muy bien.
Mimi.
Muy bien.
He's trying to say muy bien.
Okay. Qué bueno. Qué bueno.
Menos nachos.
Huh? Buenos what?
Buenas noches. Buenos días.
It's daytime. So it's buenos dias.
So you like my dress?
It's pretty.
First
You
time
like
I
my
wear it.
jacket?
Where'd you get it?
Posh.
Huh?
Posh.
What is that at?
The website I showed you. I get everything from there.
And how, what size
My
is it?
purse.
Yes, I am. What size is it?
I got that from Posh.
And what size is it?
Extra large.
So it fits you good?
Yeah, because look, you see the side? You see the side?
Oh.
You see how this?
¿Y cuánto te costó?
See? Huh?
¿Cuánto te costó?
I only paid, I negotiated, because you can make an offer. It was 36. No. I said, well, I'll give you 20. She said, well, how about 25? I said, I'll do that.
I will be right back with the order, guys.
Thank you. That's
And
a good thing.
what side is this?
I got everybody on it. Cindy, I didn't want her to know because I didn't want her to copy.
What is that?
You see that? It's called Posh. You just go into Play Store.
P-O-S-H?
Go into, and what it is, all that. What it is,
I'm ready for
all those
it.
bubbles. You know that.
I'm not gonna make a big
You heard me, Mom? What it is,
My tab is dying. She's like, hold on.
Well, how are you gonna do?
It's on 31.
You just,
I'm going to charge it my sister black. You'll work her with
You
you.
do that on
Unfair.
Facebook too, Amazon and
Amazon, we have Facebook have it now too, but I like
Amazon
Posh.
and Best Buy, Blessed.
I like Posh because I like negotiating. Thank you. You heard me? Thank you.
The bubbles
Thank
are
you.
falling on the straw.
I like negotiating. You know what I'm saying?
See that, guys?
You know, you comment and say, well, how is this a true fit? Like, is it really fit inside 14, 16? You can ask questions. You know, where if you go to like a site and you don't know if it's gonna fit you or not, you can't really ask that first.
Even the
You know
straw.
what I'm saying? That's the cool thing about it.
God, look like
Because before I bought this, I was like, damn, I wonder if this is gonna fit. I don't know.
the bubbles, even the
After,
straw.
you know, I'm heavy chested. I told her.
Oh, you like that
Gonna
drawing,
fit a
guys?
heavy
See, pack me
chested
up.
girl.
There you
I'm a
see
big
the
girl. I said, I'm
animation
like a
girl.
16 foot.
But let's zoom in and see what it look like.
It's stretched.
Look at that.
That's why.
Now that's the draw.
That's what I like
She
about it. You
draws
can ask
some
questions.
She brought a computer with her. Poker lit.
And they always give you these little cards. A lot of people, when you get the box or the mail, when you get your stuff, you open it up. They give you these little
It's like
cards saying
that.
thank you for shopping in my closet.
Look at all the bubbles floating on the straw.
Or they give you like a little special side thing for shopping in your closet.
It's floating on the straw.
Let me show you. Looking at.
look at that.
They're cool.
What's the
But all eating the straw away.
Man, why you always gotta think negative?
Let me see where I were around.
I just said all of them are free.
And when I dip back in, it's gonna keep on eating the straw though. Look at that.
Let me just a second. Show you what I purchased. This is what I purchased.
Alright, guys.
I got me these dark lipsticks.
This is what happened.
This is what it's coming to me soon. Look, Mom.
See how it's like
I got me these two. One's called Vintage and one's called Cherry Style. I didn't have the red because I don't like red. But the other two I got. I didn't get that one.
You like this one?
Yeah, that one was nice on me.
I got this. I got a few of the straws.
It's nice.
And I thought about you because I have an extra two lipsticks.
Okay.
Oh my God, I don't know if you like the shade or not.
I can try it on. I can look at it. Look, you think I got this?
It is cool.
You like this?
Let's watch how it gets down.
It's coming.
Still nothing. This.
Alright, sorry about the wait. Did they bring the lemon out for you?
Yeah,
Perfect. Sorry about that. You guys all set? Or we?
Yes. She wants the chicken tenders.
Are you doing the kids or the adult?
She's gonna do the kids. Okay. Are we able to? Because they did it last time. I asked if they could go ahead and just put two additional chicken tenders on the side. Yeah. Okay. And then
So the kids tenders, and then you want
the two extra. Right, Yana?
Can we
And then he
that?
wants the kids
How to wipe
burger.
off this smell?
did you want to add any cheese to that?
He just wants ketchup on it. He don't want
Okay, so
anything
alright, so we have the ketchup on the table. So you just want a plain then?
plain, yeah, because he's picky. And then for me, I wanted to do, I wanted to try that chicken tortilla soup.
Okay. You want a cup or a bowl?
Let me just get a cup for now.
Cup, you said?
A cup.
Tortilla. Do you want that out first?
Yes, please. And then the club sandwich, but I don't want ham. I want just the turkey, everything else in it. And can you add avocado slices? I know it's like, what, $1 and change?
Yeah, I
think,
want to
too.
say like $1.50 or up
That's
to
fine.
$2. The most would be $2.
That's fine. At least it's good.
Club no ham with they'll probably just put it on the side because they don't really like to put it on the sandwich. Okay. So the side avocado.
And then get turkey, bacon, and mayo and stuff like that.
Okay. Are you? I think it comes with a tomato on there. Okay, with that.
What's that?
I think it comes with lettuce and tomato as
It's
well.
fine,
You're
yeah.
okay with that too. And then I'm sorry, last question.
Got
Either did you
three
want a
white
different side or did you just want that cup of soup as your side?
Go on these.
I know, because
Yeah,
yeah, usually comes with French fries, or you can substitute it for anything, so the soup would be included instead of getting extra charge for it. French fries? Okay.
Alright, guys.
Okay, sorry, go ahead.
Okay. I'll have the turkey cranberry
What
sandwich.
you want to see?
Alrighty, same question for you. Would you like French fries or would you like a different side?
No, I'm gonna have the chicken